Apat na simpleng hakbang kung paano maging successful. It doesn't really matter kung ano man yung aspiration nyo sa buhay, no? Maging healthy, maging sexy, maging mayaman, magkaroon ng boyfriend, girlfriend, makatapos ng pag-aaral. It doesn't really matter kung ano yung aspiration. The steps are the same. First step and the easiest step is basically desire. Gustuhin mo lang. Gusto kong yumaman, gusto kong pumayat, gusto kong maging sexy, gusto ko blah blah blah. So that's the first step. Now, for the second step, it's basically learn. So you learn more about whatever it is that you're aspiring to be successful. So kung gusto mong yumaman, aralin mo kung paano yumaman. Gusto mong pumayat, gusto mong maging sexy, aralin mo kung paano yung mga yon. So that's the second step. As for the third step, you plan. So you plan how to achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. And every single detail ng plano mo should be based on whatever it is that you've learned. Which is why it's very important. It's very crucial na yung information na natutunan mo doon sa step ng learn, tama. Otherwise, whatever it is that you're going to plan, it will be the wrong plan kasi wrong information. And last but not the least, no, ito yung step na karamihan medyo sumasablay. Implementation. So, this is the step na pinakamatagal sa lahat ng steps. No? Ito kasi yung gagawin mo na kung ano yung pinlano mo. Gagawin mo na kung ano yung natutunan mo. And normally, hindi nangyayari overnight yung success kapag ginawa mo na. Minsan, nagfe-fail ka pa and then you redo, you replan, you relearn, etc. So, itong stage na to, implementation, ito yung matagal. Pero this is very important. So you need to consistently implement whatever it is that you planned, whatever it is that you learned. So yun yung basically 4 steps, no, on how to become successful. Can be applied to anything. I do hope nakatulong yung 4 steps na yon para maging successful kayo this 2026 and of course, the years beyond.